Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy A16 back to factory settings. The first thing you'll need to do is swipe down from the top of the screen, swipe down again, and you're going to tap on the settings wheel in the upper right corner. From here, we want to go up until we get to accounts and backup. Tap on manage accounts. And you want to delete all your Google accounts off of the phone. Just simply tap on it, hit remove account. If you don't do this, it's going to give you issues when you try to set the phone up again for someone else. So if you're returning this phone to a store or you're selling it to someone, make sure you remove all your Google accounts before you reset, or it will lock the phone up for the next person. Now, I went back one page. From here, we're going to go to reset and then swipe up, and you want to go to factory data reset. And here it's showing you all the data that will be erased with the reset. Tap on reset. Now, it's going to ask you a few extra things to sign out of your Samsung account. Make sure you do that. Now, one important thing, if you haven't backed up your data to a memory card yet, and you need things that are still on the phone, make sure you do that first. If you don't do that, you're going to lose all your data and have no way to recover it. So if you have a memory card, I'm going to link to a video right here. That video will walk you through all the things you need to do to back up your data to a memory card first before you erase the phone. So check that out. It's at the very end of that video, okay? After you've done that and you're ready to erase all the data, hit delete all. At this point, you'll see the phone restart a couple of times, and it's just going to start removing all your data and setting the phone up like a brand new phone. So don't touch it, just leave it alone. And when it's done, it'll pop up and ask you to select the language. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump the like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.